Hello dear students, welcome to Devika's Commerce and Management Academy. So today we'll see average due date, different problem, that is interest problem. If at all interest is, we have to calculate. Why do we calculate interest first of all? Let me tell you very clearly. Average due date means rather than making payment on different dates, we are fixing one date, that is average due date, that we have seen in the last class. Sometimes rather than making an average due date, the payer wanted to make all the payment at a time, total payment at a time, total payment. So when he is making payment at a time, then which attracts some interest. That interest we have to calculate with the help of average due date. Average due date will calculate, but with that average due date we are going to calculate the interest. Why we are calculating the interest? Because total amount the OR is paying at a time. At a time he is paying, so that attracts the interest. That is why we have to calculate the interest. But before going to that, we have to calculate the average due date also. From the average due date to last date when he is making the payment, till that period we will be calculating the interest. No confusion, just focus. Simply you will understand, simple problem, nothing to worry. Now coming to this problem is related to the calculation of interest. Okay, X owes Y the following sums of money due from him on the date stated. 3,000 due on 10th March, 10,000 2nd April, 40,000 30th April, 1,000 10th June. Okay, so this is common. He wants to make the complete payment on 30th June. Total payment he want to do it on 30th June 2021. Okay, 30th June means dates are here 10th April to 10th June only, but 30th June he wanted to make the payment. Calculate interest at 15% per annum with the help of average due date. Means first we have to calculate the average due date, then after that I will tell you how to calculate the interest, right? Simple step you have to remember. First let us go for average due date. Average due date, what are the columns required? Due date, amount, dates, days from the date base date, and you can say total product. This is total amount, okay, total product. Easy way to remember, okay. So first we will write the due date. Due date is here 10th March 2021. How much is the amount? 3,000. Next 2nd April 2021, 10,000. Next 30th April 30th April is 40,000. Next 10th June 10th June is 1,000. Now we have to calculate the days from the base date. Base date is this one, 10th March, 0. Okay. Next 2nd April. 2nd April means 10th March to, means 11th March to 31st March. How many days are there? 21 days. Okay. So this is 21 days, March, and plus April, how many days are there? 2 days. Means it is 23 days. I will write here 23 days. In the same way 30th April. For 30th April, 10th March to 31st March, 21 days, plus 30th April, April 30th means plus 30, means 51 days. Next 10th June. 10th June means March we have 21 days, April 30 days, And May is also there. May you are not finding, please be careful. May how many days are there? 31 days. 31 days May plus June 10 days. It comes to 61, 71, 81, 91, 92 days. Am I right? Let me check it once again. 61, 71, 81, 91, 92. Yes, 92 days. After this, multiplication. First one is 0. Second one is 23 days into 10,000. 23, 10,000 means 4 zeros. 2,30,000. Second one is, let me use the calculator. Second one is 41,000 into 51. 40,000. 40,000 into 51. Which comes to 20,40,000. Oh, it's a big amount. Let me check it once again. Is it 40,000? Yes, 40,000 into 51. Yes, 20,40,000. Second one, 92 plus 1,000, 92,000. We'll total up both. So this is 40, 50, 53, 54. And that one, 2,30,000 plus 20,40,000 plus 92,000. 23,62,000. Now what we'll do, average due date. Average due date is equal to, formula you have to write same one. Okay, I am not writing. So base date is here 10th March. 10th March plus what is the total product is 23,62,000 divided by total amount 54,000. Which comes to 10th March plus 23,62,000 divided by 54,000 comes to 43.74, means 44 I can. So I am getting here 43.74. So which I am taking round figure as 44 days. 44 days I wanted to add to the 10th March. So if I add to the 10th March, here how many days are left? To 21 days, okay. So March, 21 days are over. March, so March is completed, and April, 21 days are over. Out of 44, 21 days are over. So how many days are left? 23. March, 21 days we have completed. Now left over 23. It means April 23 is the date. Let me explain you how do you got this. Here 10th March plus 44 days. 44 days we wanted to add to the 10th March. To complete this 10th March, how many days are required? 21 days. Out of 44 days, 21 days are required. So that March is completed. How many days are left? 23 days. 23 days comes to the next month, April 23. So April 23 I have written. Average due date is here 23. But what we have to calculate? Interest. Okay. Interest from April 23rd means average due date to 30th June. Okay. So here I can write one sentence: interest calculation will be from, actual average due date is 23rd of April. By that date he has to pay, but he wanted to pay on 30th June. Delay is there. So due this delay period, we are going to charge interest. So interest calculation will be from 23rd April to 30th June. So roughly we'll calculate here. April 23rd April to 30th June. How many days it comes? 23rd April to 30th April. 7 days, right? 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 7 days. April is 7 days. And after April, May. May how many days? 31 days. Plus 31. May. June 30 days. Plus 30. It comes to 61 and 7, 68. So we are going to calculate interest for 68 days only. Why only 68 days? By this date he has to make the payment, but he is not making payment. He is making payment on 30th June. Means from 23rd April to 30th June, we are charging interest. How much it comes? 68 days it comes. Now the calculation will be like this. Okay. So interest is equal to total amount is how much? 54,000. Okay. 54,000 into how much is the interest rate? 15%. Here it is given. Na? So into 15%. And how many days? 68 days. 68 days out of 365 days. We'll use the calculator. 540 into 15 into 68 divided by 365. It comes to 1509. 1509 is the interest. Interest he has to pay. Am I clear? First to take the screenshot or note down. Problem is simple. If you understood last class problem, in the same way what we have done, average due date we have calculated. Okay? Average due date we have calculated. We got it April 23rd. Now they are saying that that person is going to make the payment on 30th June only. Only one payment he wanted to do. As per the average due, he has to pay on 23rd of April, but he is paying on 30th June. In between these two periods, April 23rd to 30th June. Whatever days comes, on that we are going to charge interest at the rate of 15%. So how we have calculated 23rd April to 30th June. 23rd April to end of the April means it is 7 days. After April, May 31 days. And June till 30th, 30 days. Total it comes to 68. For 68 days only we are charging. Okay. So when we have to calculate the interest, this is the total amount na. So 54,000 into interest rate 15% and 68 days out of 365 days. So you got 1509 rupees, 1509 rupees interest he has to pay. Who has to pay? X has to pay to Y. That's all. Simple problem. Am I clear? Take out any other problem from your textbook and work out it. Or if possible, if you understand this, you work out by yourself. And tell me in the comment box whether you are getting the correct answer or not. So that I'll be very happy. I'll clap for you. Anyway, check out the playlist. Whatever subjects I have covered so far, follow it and forward these videos. Everything is free of cost. See you in the next class with another interesting, useful, related, same subject related topic. Okay. So stay connected. Good luck.